Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iPhone 6 Plus smartphone. In this video you will learn how to change time format in your phone iPhone 6 Plus. First I lock my screen and I see the timing. Now it is 8:09 a.m. Okay, if you want to display time in 24-hour format, what you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here. Go to settings, then go to general, then go to date and time, and here turn on the button against 24-hour format, so that 24-hour format will be applied. That is, after 12 13 will be counted instead of 1 p.m. 13 will be counted. Okay, see here. Now I set 17:10. That means 5:10 p.m. Okay, see in the home page 17:10 p.m. Okay, this is 24-hour format. If you would like to set 12-hour format, you have to turn off this button so that it will change to 5:10 p.m. See here, 5:10 p.m. Okay, so in this way you can easily change any format, that is 12-hour format or 24-hour format for timing. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.